So yeah, let me see. What is this called? This is Cafe. Ronnie, got like some sort of French. This is French.
We have French vanilla.
French rose. That looks like something. Got all different types. Pete's, but that's not really. Can you put two of these in one?
No.
No. That's Starbucks. That's French. Let's try this French rose.
Okay. There's a good coffee. And hit there because it's a large, it's considered a large cup. So you just drop that in there like that.
Drop that in. What kind of machine is this? This is Mars drinking machine.
Yeah.
Oh, so this kind of like hooks in there. And then what happens? Does it puncture?
Yep, it punctures, and then you get coffee, and then it'll discard the pack in the back some type of way.
So it automatically punctures through here, and then it automatically sends this. So you don't even have to take it out of it.
Nope. You'll hear it when it's they got the package done, and then it'll be done up there, and then your coffee will be done. Okay.
It's a Mars drinking. It's all part of the Mars system.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen this
I've
before.
never seen it before either, so I started working here, and I thought it was pretty cool.
This is cool.
Pretty cool.
Thank you.
I said I wouldn't mind having one in my own house. You know, how to throw away coffee behind and not like that.
Wow, yeah, that's probably pretty expensive.
Yeah, it is. See, they just dropped the pack out, so now your coffee is done.
It just kind of like went,
yeah.
it just threw it out. So now the next person is ready to go,
Yeah, it's ready to go.
and you just now it's ready, right?
Yep, it's ready now.
So let's open this up, and you'll see. How'd you open it up?
You gotta go pick this, then it's
Oh,
pop open.
and it's already open.
It's already, yep.
And you like again, you just throw it in there.
You close it.
That's amazing.
Got it.